Manufactured homes, also known as prefabricated homes, are built in a factory and installed at the site. Often, these homes are made of less costly materials than those used in site-built houses. This makes manufactured homes a good option for low-cost housing.
However, they have a shorter lifespan and require more maintenance. How long lifespan of a manufactured home? Let's find out.
The average lifespan of a manufactured home is about 20 to 30 years, comparable to traditional homes' lifespan. The materials that make up a manufactured home can be classified into three categories: exterior, interior, and structural. These three categories have different factors that determine their lifespan. The exterior is most susceptible to damage from weather and thus has a shorter lifespan than the interior or structural materials, which are more resistant to weathering.
Factors which determine a manufactured home's lifespan. Manufactured homes are not just a cheaper alternative to traditional homes. However, a few factors determine how long a manufactured home will last. Apart from the size, location, and quality of materials used in construction, other factors, such as how well it is taken care of and how often it moves from one place to another, determine the lifespan of a manufactured home. Manufactured homes are typically less expensive than site-built homes but have a shorter lifespan. The lifespan of a manufactured home can be increased by regular maintenance of the house and by following these simple steps. 1. Maintain your roof. 2. Cover your windows. 3. Keep your heating system in good condition. 4. Exterior. 5. Plumbing. 6. Ventilation. 7. Drainage. 8. Location.
Mobile homes are often built on a truck chassis that can be moved from one place to another. These are primarily used as temporary residences for those who want to live in a new location for a limited time. It was cheaper than buying an apartment or house in a new place. Manufactured homes are used as permanent residences by people who cannot afford to purchase a house or an apartment. They are built in a factory and transported to their destination. Manufactured homes have a better resale value and tend to be better insulated from the elements and more resistant to fire damage. Moreover, manufactured homes can be customized to suit the family's needs. On the other hand, mobile homes have limited customization options because they are designed for quick assembly and easy transport. A typical manufactured home is built in about 1 month, but some can take as long as 12 months, depending on the size and features you wish to install.
It typically takes around 2 to 3 weeks for the foundation to be laid and another 2 to 3 weeks for the walls, roof, and windows to be installed. However, it will take an additional week or two for the inside of the house to be completed.